My name is Nick White. I am a Western River guide, and I've been guiding for 8 years. Cataract Canyon, for me as a guide, is a special place, especially here running the high-speed motorboats. I call it the Corvette of the river. Sounds like quite a large boat, but in fact it's going to be very small compared to the rapids that we might see this spring with the high water. And I can tell you it's going to be a riot. A lot of fun, great experience. And I'd like to invite you to come experience Cataract Canyon on the high-speed boats.